टू द चैनल। तो आज के वीडियो में हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल। तो पहले तो हम लोग इंपोर्ट करेंगे, इंपोर्ट मैथ, देन वी विल टेक अ वेरिएबल नेम रेडियस, रेडियस float input, enter the value of the radius. What the hell is happening? Enter the value of radius. Okay, now area equal to math dot pi. Now how can we take the value of pi in Python? Is dot first we have to import math, and then to take the value 3.14. You can take it like 3.14, it will also work, but it is very good for a very good programmer. It is good to use math dot pi and then radius, radius, radius again multiply radius. As we know that हम लोग जानते हैं कि the area of circle is pi r square. So the value of pi is math dot pi and r square. Now we are going to print the area of the circle is area. That's all. Now तो हम लोग इसको रन करते हैं, फिर enter the value of radius 56 and you can see that the area of circle is 9. Okay, तो सर्कल का स्पेलिंग यहाँ गलत हो गया है, CIRCLE circle. Save. Then again we are going to run it like 67. You can find it in your calculator that pi r square 3.14 into 67 into 67. The value will be 14102.60942196458. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.
Hit that like button, leave a comment, share this video, and make sure to subscribe.